Look up. What do you see? Is it the vast expanse of the night sky dotted with countless stars? The sun setting in a blaze of colours, some clouds drifting lazily, or maybe the moon, big and bright, casting its serene light. Now imagine this, two more moons hanging in the sky. Picture it, a trio of moons, each with its own unique glow, creating a celestial dance. Not just tiny dots, but full glorious orbs, each casting its own light upon Earth. That's right, 3 moons, each contributing to a symphony of celestial light, painting the night with their combined brilliance. It sounds like science fiction, but imagine the possibilities. The sky would be a canvas of endless wonder, sparking curiosity and imagination. Each moon would have its own phases, creating a dynamic and ever-changing nightscape. Imagine the stories and myths that cultures would create around these celestial companions. Ancient civilizations would weave tales of gods and heroes inspired by the dance of the moons. Each moon could symbolize different deities or legends, enriching our cultural heritage. Our world, bathed in the ghostly glow of triple moonlight, would be a place of breathtaking beauty and wonder. The landscape would transform under the combined luminescence, creating a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The interplay of shadows and light would be mesmerizing, but it wouldn't just be about appearances. The presence of 3 moons would have far-reaching effects on our planet. Scientists would be fascinated by the complex gravitational interactions. These extra moons would have a profound impact on our planet, affecting everything from the tides to the very evolution of life itself. The gravitational pull of 3 moons would create dramatic tides, shaping coastlines and influencing marine life. The rhythms of life would be altered, potentially leading to new evolutionary paths. So, buckle up, space cadets. The journey to explore this fantastical world is just beginning. The quest to understand the mysteries of a multi-moon sky would drive scientific exploration and innovation. We're about to embark on a journey to explore a world where 3 moons grace the night sky. A world where science and imagination blend, creating a tapestry of endless possibilities and wonders. The adventure awaits, and the sky is just the beginning. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty gravity. It's an invisible force, yet it shapes everything we see and experience in the universe. It's the force that holds the universe together, binding galaxies, stars, and planets in a cosmic dance. And it's how moons tug on their planets, creating a delicate balance that affects everything from the planet's rotation to its climate. With one moon, Earth experiences tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of ocean levels. These tides are crucial for marine life and coastal ecosystems. Now, imagine the combined gravitational pull of 3 moons. The effects would be far more dramatic and complex. Tides wouldn't be simple rises and falls anymore. They'd become intricate patterns influenced by the gravitational forces of all 3 moons. They'd be complex dances of water influenced by the positions and phases of all 3 moons. The interplay of these forces would create a mesmerizing, ever-changing seascape. Coastal regions would be vastly different, with some areas experiencing massive tides while others remain relatively stable. The diversity in tidal patterns would reshape coastlines and impact human settlements. And it wouldn't just be the oceans feeling the pull. The Earth's crust itself would experience greater stress, potentially leading to increased geological activity. The increased gravitational forces could trigger more frequent volcanic eruptions and earthquakes, altering the landscape and posing new challenges for life on Earth. A small price to pay for a sky full of moons, perhaps. The sight of multiple moons would be a breathtaking spectacle, a constant reminder of the powerful forces at play in our universe. The presence of 3 moons could also affect Earth's axial tilt, potentially leading to more extreme seasonal changes. This would have profound implications for agriculture and ecosystems. Additionally, the gravitational interplay might influence Earth's magnetic field, altering how it interacts with solar winds and cosmic radiation. This could impact everything from satellite operations to the auroras we see in the polar regions. The atmosphere itself could be affected, with changes in wind patterns and weather systems. The combined gravitational forces might lead to more dynamic and unpredictable weather. Humanity would need to adapt to these new conditions, potentially developing advanced coastal engineering projects to manage the more complex tidal patterns and protect against geological hazards. In the end, the presence of 3 moons would be a testament to human ingenuity and resilience as we navigate the challenges and marvel at the beauty of a sky filled with moons. Space is vast, unimaginably vast, but sometimes the cosmos brings objects perilously close. With 3 moons whirling around Earth, the likelihood of catastrophic collisions skyrockets. Asteroids, comets, and even the moons themselves could be drawn into these cosmic clashes. Picture a torrent of moon rocks plummeting to Earth after a violent collision. It would be a breathtaking spectacle, but also a grave danger. On the upside, these events could offer scientists priceless insights into the makeup of these celestial bodies. Yet a major collision could spell disaster, potentially endangering all life on Earth. But that's the nature of the cosmos, a realm of immense risks and extraordinary rewards. Forget about a single moon casting its gentle glow. With 3 moons, our nights would be bathed in a celestial symphony of light. Picture a full moon, a crescent moon, and a moon with a mystical reddish hue, all sharing the night sky. The possibilities for breathtaking, enchanting views are endless. These multiple light sources would weave a magical tapestry for nocturnal animals. Some might flourish under the ethereal glow, while others might find the brilliance challenging to navigate. Imagine the myths and legends that cultures would weave around these celestial wonders. The night sky would become a source of endless fascination and inspiration, a constant reminder of the vastness and enchantment of the universe. Here's the thing. While the idea of Earth with 3 moons is captivating, it's highly unlikely. The formation of planets and moons is a complex dance of gravity, and our current understanding suggests that a system like this would be inherently unstable. The gravitational pull of the other planets in our solar system, particularly Jupiter, would likely disrupt the orbits of 3 moons around Earth. Over time, they could collide with each other, be ejected from the system, or even crash into Earth itself. But let's imagine for a moment if it were possible. The night sky would be dramatically different, with multiple moons lighting up the darkness. Tides would be more extreme, potentially affecting coastal ecosystems and human settlements. The phases of the moons would create a complex lunar calendar influencing cultures and traditions. We might even see unique atmospheric phenomena like multiple shadows and enhanced auroras. But hey, that's the beauty of science fiction. We can imagine and explore possibilities, even if they're not entirely realistic. Let's get specific. Imagine 3 distinct moons. Luna, our familiar companion. Artemis, a smaller icy moon with a mysterious reflective surface. And Vulcan, a larger volcanic moon with rivers of molten lava. Each would have its own unique characteristics and impacts on Earth. Luna, with its familiar cycle, would continue to govern the tides, albeit with more complex patterns. Artemis, reflecting less light, would create dimmer nights, perfect for stargazing and revealing the cosmos. And Vulcan, with its fiery glow, would cast an eerie red light on Earth, inspiring awe and perhaps a bit of fear with its volcanic activity. These 3 moons would interact with each other and Earth in a delicate gravitational ballet, shaping the planet's environment and the life that inhabits it. Life on Earth is incredibly resilient and adaptable. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains, organisms have evolved to thrive in a wide range of conditions. So it stands to reason that life would not only survive but flourish on an Earth with 3 moons. Nocturnal animals might develop larger eyes to see in the brighter moonlight, showcasing their incredible adaptability. Coastal ecosystems would adapt to the complex tidal patterns, demonstrating the resilience of marine life. And who knows, maybe some creatures would even evolve to take advantage of the increased gravitational forces, developing unique methods of locomotion or even flight, highlighting their innovative adaptability. The possibilities for life to adapt and thrive in this altered environment are as limitless as the universe itself, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The big question is, could life as we know it have arisen on an Earth with 3 moons? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just 1 but 3 luminous orbs casting their glow upon our world. How would this celestial trio have influenced the very fabric of life on our planet? It's a question that sparks the imagination and leads us down a rabbit hole of possibilities. The presence of 3 moons would have created a dramatically different environment, one that challenges our understanding of biology, evolution, and even the rhythms of life itself. The increased tidal forces might have accelerated the development of life in the primordial soup. These stronger tides could have mixed the essential chemicals more vigorously, perhaps speeding up the complex processes that led to the first living organisms. The constant ebb and flow might have created unique niches where life could take hold and evolve. The brighter nights might have influenced the evolution of senses and behavior. Nocturnal creatures would have adapted to a world where darkness was never absolute, leading to the development of enhanced night vision and other sensory adaptations. The interplay of light and shadow would have shaped the behaviors and survival strategies of countless species. Or perhaps the gravitational chaos would have made it impossible for life to gain a foothold at all. The relentless pull of 3 moons could have created extreme tidal conditions, making the environment too unstable for life to sustain itself. The constant upheaval might have prevented the formation of stable ecosystems. Ultimately, the answer remains shrouded in the mysteries of the cosmos. The universe is vast and full of unknowns, and our Earth with its single moon is just one of countless possibilities. The hypothetical scenario of 3 moons invites us to ponder the delicate balance that makes life possible. But one thing is certain. Contemplating the possibilities expands our understanding of the universe and our place within it. By exploring these what-ifs, we gain a deeper appreciation for the unique conditions that have allowed life to flourish on our planet. It reminds us of the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the profound impact they have on our existence. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky, let your imagination run wild. Think about the countless worlds that might exist out there, each with its own set of moons, stars, and possibilities. Allow yourself to dream about the different forms life might take under different cosmic conditions. Picture a world bathed in the glow of 3 moons and ask yourself, what if? What if our night sky was filled with more than just the familiar face of our single moon? What stories would the heavens tell, and how would our own story be different? In the end, contemplating a world with multiple moons is more than just an exercise in imagination. It is a profound reflection on the nature of existence itself. It challenges us to consider the infinite possibilities that the universe holds and our unique place within it. The Cradle of Life Reimagined is a testament to the boundless creativity of the cosmos and the endless potential for discovery and wonder.